Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. This is an old license plate that I had on my boat for around 5 years. Due to the sunlight and the harsh condition outside, you could hardly read the numbers anymore. In addition, the authorities were complaining that the letters have to be 8 centimeters in height, and therefore I had to renew it anyway. So I thought it was a good time to make a video how to make a license plate from soda cans. Like usual, we start with the regular soda cans. This is a half-liter soda can where we extract the soda can sheets. I already posted a video how to flatten these soda can sheets. Just follow the link in the upper right corner. There is no need to remove the ink from the soda can, we just take the inside of the soda can. First we adjust the size to the desired dimensions. Thereafter we print the license plate number to a water-based inkjet water transfer paper. A link is given in the description. You don't need a laser printer for this purpose. The inkjet is okay also, but you have to be aware that a sort of coating needs to be done before dissolving these letters in water. I therefore use hairspray to fix it. Of course, this coating would not be enough for the conditions on a boat outside. But the finishing will be explained later on. Then we clean the inside of the soda can sheets before we start to dissolve the letters in water. But first of all, we will cut them in size so they fit on the individual sheets. Now we place the letters in hand-warm water to, let's say, separate the paper and the upper transparent layer with the number on it. Then we remove excessive water with a tissue, place the number on the soda can sheet, and then carefully remove the paper underneath so that the number stays on the license plate. For a certain time, you can adjust the figure. When you are happy with the result, just flatten it again with the wet paper. Then you finish the second soda can sheet to complete the number. Makes already a good impression. Start with the finishing process after the numbers have dried on the license plate. Multiple layers with a lacquer spray are added on top of the license plate. The more layers you add, the longer it will live outside. I'm adding here the second part of the number. The first part was already fixed. Here you see the beauty of using soda can sheets because they align perfectly with the curved shape of the boat. In addition, you can also easily remove these sheets again when you want to sell the boat. We are already at the end of this episode how to make a license plate from soda can sheets. If you like this project, please check out all the other videos on my YouTube channel. And like always, stay creative and so long.